Hey there, everybody. My name is Christy McGowan, and I wanted to welcome you to today's Ask Me Anything Real Estate episode. We're going to talk about the risk of recording buyers as they walk through your home. So just for the record, I am a real estate broker here in Waco, Texas, and owner of the Waco Home Team. And we do often get concerns from buyers that they are being recorded. As a matter of fact, funny story, we were standing outside of the garage in one particular home I was showing a buyer, and I guess the seller pushed the wrong button on their audio or video recording. They were actually listening in on our conversation. And the only way I knew this is because they pushed the wrong button and yelled at their children to be quiet. It was like, shh, be quiet, I'm trying to listen. That's exactly what they said. And so it totally creeped me out. I'm not sure if it bothered my buyers as much. They didn't particularly care for the home anyway, but it really creeped me out. And so I thought this is a really important subject for us to talk about, the risk associated with having all this smart home technology. I totally get that it is necessary. You might have a tween coming home, spending time by themselves for an hour or so before you can arrive there from work. Just monitoring what's going on in your home and protecting the contents, certainly warranted to have this. But you may not know this, but a visitor's privacy, even in your own home, is actually protected by law. So let's talk about audio. So you've got audio recording and video recording separately. I know you can put them together, but audio is the bad one. And you might say, well, but I'm protected by the one-party rule. The one-party rule, to clarify, actually gives you permission to record a conversation of the other party, even though they are not aware that they are being recorded. The caveat to the rule is that you must be a participant in the conversation. And the problem with recording someone's comments as they walk through your home, even though it's in your home, you are not a participant in that conversation. And recording someone without their knowledge and consent is actually a Texas felony. And we'll talk about the penalties here in just a minute if they discover that they've been recorded without their knowledge and without them wanting to be recorded. Now let's talk about video. Recording a silent video of someone walking through your home mostly is okay. I totally understand that. However, only in public places. So you may record someone walking through the exterior of your home, walking through the living room, or even in the kitchen. But recording someone in an area that's considered to be private, like the bathroom, is actually highly illegal. So let's talk about the penalties for this. This is really quite alarming. Illegally recording is a felony offense in Texas, and anyone who has been recorded in violation of the law can bring a civil suit to recover $10,000 for each occurrence. Actual damages in excess of $10,000, punitive damages, attorney's fees, and court costs. So if you're putting your house on the market, I wanted to just let you know, these are the rules, these are the risks. I think it's personally smart to turn everything off just so you're just not tempted, and rely on your agent to get that feedback that you need so that you can make tweaks and changes to your property, to your listing, and get the home sold quickly. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week.